Hello student, in this video we talk about how to upload your WordPress data. So first open your website and then click on URL and write down wp-admin and enter to appear your login URL to login our WordPress dashboard. So put your username testing WP and enter your password testing WP and then click on login. Your website will be login. So our website dashboard is login. Now first we check the post and pages that we have. Many posts or many pages. So first click on all posts. We check that how many posts, how many pages are there in all this WordPress website before the data is uploaded. So we have only one post, screen resolution, comments tag, SEO code, internal, then I minimize the title. So we have only one post. Now we have uploaded our WordPress data. So go to tools and then click on import. So there are many options when you import your data from Blogger. So you install this plugins and we have you import your tags and category. So you have installed now this plugin and from here you see the WordPress. So we click on install now. First click on install now. So the plugin is installed. Now we click on run importer. So click on that. And now choose the file. So in the previous video we downloaded our WordPress data from tutorialform.com. So we click on download and see our XML file. All file, and we have list detailed. In detail it is our XML document tutorialform.com. So click on it and click on open. Our file is selected, tutorial form, and then upload file and import. To run the import, so it says to create a new user or assign post to an existing user. So you first check or to assign it to existing user testing WP and then submit. Download and import file attachment. So we click on it and then submit. So our maximum file is imported. Now we click on posts. And you see first we see one post, hello world, and now you see all our post is import from my previous data. So in this method you can upload your WordPress data and you can take your backup from this method. Thank you for watching for this video.